The 5 most common mistakes when building wealth. Asset accumulation pays off even with small amounts. However, you can do a lot of wrong with this. Read here which mistakes are most common and how they can be avoided. Number 1. Save at the end of the month. If you save at the end of the month, there is a risk that there is often not much left. That is why you should always save at the beginning of the month. Define a fixed amount or a fixed percentage of your income that will be debited from your account at the beginning of the month. It is important that the amount is adhered to, because this is the only way to build wealth. Number 2. Lifestyle inflation. Perhaps you are also familiar with the following situations. The Golf became an Audi, the Audi a Mercedes, and the student hostel a 4-star hotel. This is of course justified to a certain extent, as most people adjust their expenses in line with their income. However, if this spiral is taken too far, continuous wealth accumulation will not be possible. Basically, when your income increases, you should save the majority of the new money in order to escape this lifestyle inflation. Satisfaction is the catchphrase. Number 3. Fear of investing. Many people are afraid of investing in stocks or funds. That is why most people save their money in the savings account. But, with these investments, money is constantly losing purchasing power. An alternative to this are, for example, investments in funds that are less risky than you might fear, because you determine the risk, which is manageable anyway with a long-term investment horizon. Because there is no getting around the stock market if you want to build long-term wealth. Number 4. Frequent change of strategy. When building up your assets, it is also important that you maintain a certain consistency and strategy when investing. A constant change, similar to underwear, makes no sense. There are many options and not just one right one. The important thing is that you choose one and stick to it. The sooner, the better. Number 5. Buying and selling stocks at the wrong time. Stocks and funds are volatile, that's normal and nothing to worry about. Most people sell when everyone is selling and the price is low, and buying when everyone is buying and the price is high. My tip: buy exactly the other way around, counter-cyclical. Buy when prices are low and sell when the share is currently in high demand. Another option is to invest monthly in order to benefit from the so-called cost average effect. Remember, when you buy a property, you probably don't track the sales value on a daily basis.